Hello guys, and today I am going to be trying to make diaper slime with this slime, so yeah. So before I get onto the video, make sure to subscribe. So yeah, hi Sully. So I'm going to overactivate my slime. Like really overactivate. Because it's onto a point that I cannot stretch. Okay guys, I put some activator on the table, and my table is all messy now. Okay, so it's all mixed, it's not stretchy. You can't really do ASMR with it. I mean, it pokes, but no ASMR. Okay guys, so I am starting now. So I'm just gonna put some water in here. Okay, it's really cold. It's really, really cold. Please tell me why I do not put a bowl under this. Take this off. Guys, do not mind. Please. I'm just using what I could find. Okay? Okay. And guys, I'm doing it on my table so that way, like, it's easier and better. Oh, there we go. Start dissolving. And there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna hide it. I'm letting it dissolve, guys. Put some water on my table. This isn't really what I was going for to do, guys, but I mean, I'm trying to get as much as I can on my table. Really good. I think I'm gonna have to split this in half, guys. Like my slime, because I don't think that this will be enough. I mean, just a teeny bit more water, because we do not want too much. Else we were getting super watery cloud slime. Okay guys, so I'm splitting this in half. If I need more, I will do more. I'm going to take these little chunks out, and I'm just going to mix in the cloud cream. Okay guys, so I'm mixing it in the cloud cream now. Here's the cloud snow. It's super watery. Hopefully that this turns into it, guys. So far it is not. But hopefully the more I need it, the more it will turn. And the next one I'm going to just try with the pure paper of it. This is by far the worst fail ever. I am not liking it. There's definitely not melting my slime though. not cloud cream, guys, but I mean, Zoe, where are you? Is it's actually working? Like, it's starting to get that jelly effect that everything gets. It's starting to feel really cool too. So I'm gonna put in this little chunk of it just to start getting it motivated. Look, it's like turning into a cloud cream. It's like getting that really drizzly effect. Okay, putting this in now. Honestly, guys, just from this, I would much more rather make cloud cream with regular incense now. But I mean, I had to try something different. So I went from literally this to this. It didn't get as drizzly as I wanted it to, but it's pretty drizzly, guys. Here is the old one that I made. I overactivated it and it got old. So yeah. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and like. And yeah. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!